Good evening to all the dignitaries from India and abroad. I myself, Dr. Mukunda Dattatreya Karambelkar, consultant obstetrician and gynecologist from Chalisgaon, Maharashtra. Thanks a lot, MS Award team, especially Dr. Poonam Verma and Dr. Thomas Buck for selecting me for this award. My academic and other qualifications. I did my MBBS and DGO from MJMS Sevagram. Then Honorable Badi Bahenji, that is ex-Central Health Minister and founder of MJMS, Sushila Nair, was there to guide us on various issues. Dr. Abhay Bang, Dr. Rani Bang, Dr. Ullas Jaju and Dr. S. Chabra were our young enthusiastic teacher in clinical days. Ours was the first post-graduation batch in MJMS. So, through various friendly activities, we were taught to incorporate Gandhian values in practice in rural area. While doing FCPS and DFP from CPS Mumbai, I was working as a registrar in OBGY department in Nanavati Hospital. There I got introduced to modern techniques like laparoscopy and ultrasonography. I started my practice in Mumbai in Kolaba area, but teachings from MJMS as well as impressions of my father's work in small village made me think of starting my practice at a small place where there is no gynecologist. So I selected Chalisgaon and started my practice on 16th October 1983. In those days, there was no anesthetist, no pathologist, no oxygen. The only help available was my friend, surgeon, late Dr. Subhash Purnapatre. So I had to start from scratch in a small place. Considering the importance of psychological counseling, especially in medical practice for women, I did postgraduate diploma in psychological counseling from Hyderabad. Also, I attended various sessions at IPH Thane of Dr. Anand Nadkarni. I apply this knowledge in my practice to get to the root cause of problem. This made me close friend of my patients and their family. Dr. Meenakshi joined me after some time, and last few years Dr. Mandar, my son, and IVF consultant, and Dr. Vaidehi, gynecologist, my daughter-in-law, who joined me in my Shalya Shobha, the service for womanhood. Both of them are from MJMS and they are students of Dr. Chabra and Dr. Poonam Verma. So all members of my family share the same spirit in practicing OBGYN. So while providing health care for women in 38 years, we have many firsts to our credit. First gynecologist, first sonography machine, first laparoscopic surgery unit, and now first IVF and ICSI center. I attended state, national and international conferences and presented papers on my experiences in rural area. Also, when the magic figure of 20 gynecologists was achieved, I started Chalisgaon OBGY Society, a branch of FOGSI. Also, I was zonal coordinator of Maharashtra Association of Gynecological Societies. I am founder president of a cultural organization Rangagandha for last 27 years. Through these organizations and NGOs like Rotary, Lions, etc., we try to propagate health awareness in my surrounding areas through lectures, dramas, music, road shows, performances, through newspaper, radio, TV, social media as well. The main achievement which I have achieved in this geographic area is as follows. The health awareness about women health has grown, and initially patients used to come with ruptured uterus, recurrent abortions, late stages of cancer. Now they come for pre-marriage counseling, pre-conception counseling, adolescent care, early detection of cancer, rubella and cervical cancer vaccination. With attachment with Adore Trust of Dr. Jagannath Dikshit, I am managing lifestyle diseases like insulin resistance leading to obesity, diabetes mellitus, blood pressure, thyroid diseases and PCOD. We treat these diseases with good results with lifestyle modifications like diet, exercise, psychological counseling, and last but not the least, homeopathy medicine by Shalya Shobha team. This holistic approach is very much useful in curing infertility and BOH cases especially. The quality health services for women in remote areas from 1983 till today. This is the old and new OPDs and operation theatre, old and new in our hospital. You can visit our Facebook page and YouTube channel to see our activities. So why I have been awarded this award? Because through our services provided in Shalya Shobha Stri Arogya Bhavan, we have achieved a target of transforming patient into Nirogi, Nirbhay and Nischinta Nari, means healthy, fearless, worryless lady in women of all ages in our vicinity. In my this endeavor, my better half, Dr. Meenakshi, and family members, Dr. Manda, Dr. Vaidehi, Manas and Antima, our colleagues, staff, Shalya Shobha and Rangagandha family, and last but not the least, the patients who have shown faith in me and taken my advice to their heart and improved their livelihood and society in general. Thanks a lot.